How to change line spacing and paragraph spacing in Google Docs. Let's open Google Docs and launch our project document. Before we begin, take a moment to look at the text. It doesn't look bad, but the lines are quite close together. Adding a little more space between lines can make the document easier to read. First, we need to select all the text. You can do this by pressing Ctrl+A or by opening the Edit menu and choosing Select All. Once everything is highlighted, go to the toolbar and click the Line Spacing button. It's the icon with vertical arrows next to lines of text. Alternatively, you can access line spacing through the Format menu. You'll notice the document is currently set to single spacing. Let's try changing it to double spacing to see the difference. As you can see, double spacing adds too much white space. Go back to the line spacing options and select 1.15 instead. That looks much better. The text isn't too cramped and there isn't too much empty space either. Before finishing, click the line spacing button again and check out the custom spacing option. This allows you to control the exact spacing before and after lines or paragraphs. Feel free to experiment with different values to see how they affect your document. If you make a mistake or don't like the changes, simply click the Undo button to go back. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.